You got to slow down. What are you doing? Who's paying your insurance? You? You must have to have 3 jobs to take care of this. Come on, I'm serious. Slow down. What's the hurry?
I'm trying to clean up my driveway.
Well, you better try harder. It's gonna violation of graduated license permit, October of 20. He's got careless driving 21. That same incident, it looks like violation of graduated license permit. Then he had a speeding out of Dearborn Heights in 22. Another speeding out of out of Westland in 22. You got a heavy foot. Another speeding out of Dearborn Heights in 22. Another speeding out of Dearborn Heights in 22. You got 2 tickets 2 days in a row. You know that?
I'm trying to fix my driveway right the 7.
Oh, I hear you. Then you got another one, no ops in 22. Disobey traffic control device in 24. Careless driving in 25. I can't do anything for him on this. You charged him with 75 and a 70. You can either plead responsible or you can go to hearing.
Responsible.
According to our chart, that's 135. I'm not gonna raise that, although I should. You take a long time. Good luck. Go down the hall and pay your 135 and you're all set.
Thank you.
A&M, I think, is that it for you now, Trooper? You got another one?
I
No, you
believe
got
that
another
would.
one.
I
Dion
do have
Marie
another one.
Williams Collins, 26M-701-943, and that's it.
Thank you so much.
Can he pay all of this today or does
He
he?
cannot, Judge,
How much does he have?
3 to 4 months.
I'm gonna set you on a payment plan. You make $700 to $900 per week. How much can you afford to pay weekly? I don't even need that. We'll make it $65 a week. You get paid every Friday? I'll make it starting on July the 6th, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
And the Monday, each Monday thereafter until paid in full. If you don't have the money, it's not a problem. You call the court, we'll go through Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before any due date at 8:30 and I'll be happy to give you an extension. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
You'll
Judge.
meet with probation. Good luck. Thank you. People Against Priority Waste, 26 SO 25034. Good morning. Your appearance, Ms. Trombley.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Trombley appearing on behalf of Priority Waste.
How are you today? Good?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Not too bad. You're going to plead to overweight. You're authorized to enter this plea on behalf of the company with agreed upon fines and costs of $1,000, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
That charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. Fines cost of $1,000, pay by July 30th. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Thanks.
Danielle Shante Mosby, 26M692120. Okay. Ms. Mosby and Trooper Brown, I need you to start your videos and state your name, please. There you go, Trooper. Good morning. Your name?
Good morning.
State,
I'm
please.
sorry.
Okay, hang on. Wait, come on back, Ms. Mosby. Unmute now.
Yes,
And tell me your name, ma'am.
My name is Danielle Mosby.
Good morning to you. Can you just stop walking, find a place, please?
Yes, sir. I'm getting to the table right now.
Trooper, your name?
Trooper Brown, Michigan State Police.
All right. Is there any offer on this, Trooper?
If Miss Mosby's record allows, and
I'm
I
going to
remember
give you
her
what
being
her
quiet.
record shows. She had an operating while impaired in 2025. And then there were license sanctions, and then she had an implied consent refusal on that. So she was suspended between February of 25 and February of 26. Other than that, it does not appear as though she has anything else on her record.
I would be open to offer impeding traffic if the courts would be okay with it.
You want to plead to impeding traffic, Ms. Mosby?
Is that a lesser than what I had?
That's 0 points and it won't go on your record. 75 and a 70 is 0 points, but it would go on your record.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
You want to plead to impeding?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, so with what you have, that's a nice offer of him. I'm gonna accept the plea 170. You can go online and pay that today, okay, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. Is it possible, I'm unemployed right now. Is
When
there,
can you pay it? Just tell me when you can pay it.
like a payment plan I can get on?
Tell me when you can pay it, ma'am. I
Oh,
got a
I
lot
could pay
of,
like $15 right now? I live in Detroit. I travel.
I know. Just listen to me. When do you think you can pay this in full?
170. Can you give me like 3 months?
Ooh. Well, you're asking for a lot, but I'll tell you what, I'll have you pay $25 bi-weekly.
Okay.
Bi-weekly. So every other week, and I'm gonna start this beginning on July the 17th, okay?
Yes, Your
Now,
Honor.
if you don't have the money on any one of those dates, you call the court, request an extension. I'll go on Zoom with you, or you can show up here at 8:30 in the morning, whatever's easier for you, and I'll be happy to give you an extension, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Just don't ignore me, though. You understand what I'm telling you?
I understand, Your Honor.
Have a great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Nicholas William Blum, 26M6, I'm sorry, 26M69475. Trooper, your appearance again, please.
Trooper Brown, Michigan State Police.
Mr. Blum, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Bloom.
So, he has nothing on his record. So do you want to offer impeding?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to plead to impeding, Mr. Blum?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, it's Bloom, right? You said?
That's correct.
Okay, Mr. Bloom, to the charge of impeding traffic, which is 0 points, it won't go on your record, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, Your Honor.
Got nothing on there at all. 150 is your total. You can go online and pay that. You're all set, okay?
Thank you, Trooper. Thank you, Your Honor.
.com. Good luck. Thank you. Jesse Wade Bryant, 26 M694801. Mr. Bryant, you have to, there you go. Unmute and tell me your name, sir. Mr. Bryant, you have to unmute bottom left-hand corner of your screen and tell me your name, please. There you go.
Bryant,
Say it again because I only caught Bryant.
Jesse Bryant,
Your name again, Trooper?
Trooper Brown,
Jesse
Michigan State
Bryant.
Police.
oh,
All right. I have an August 05 operating while impaired out of this court. I have a November 17 operating while impaired out of Dearborn Heights, a 23 speeding and a 24 speeding. He's charged with 85 and a 70. What do you wish to offer, if anything, here?
Are you willing to offer 1 to 5 over, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's what you, oh, okay, you wrote him for 11 to 15. So if you plead to 1 to 5 over, sir, that's 0 points, but it will be added to your traffic record. Do you understand that?
yeah, I understand.
You want to plead to 75 and a 70, or do you want to go to a hearing on the charge of 85 and a 70, which would be a 2-point violation?
I'll do the first one.
So you plead to 75 and a 70, limited access?
Correct.
Do that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you got to slow down, sir. I'll accept the plea. 190 is your total. You can go on 33court.com right now and make your payment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And you have the money to do that, right?
Yes.
Good luck. Thank you. Junior Finke, Junior Santonio Finke, 26M692112. I have a B and a C file here.
Judge,
Yeah.
he paid the A case.
Oh, he did? Okay, where's Mr. Finke at? Mr. Finke, state your name, please.
Hello, Your Honor. I am Junior Finke.
So he paid already. You charged him with 5 over, limited access, 75 and a 70 on I-75. He paid that one. And then he's got an expired plate and a no proof of insurance charge. The only thing he has on his record is a case from 2000. No, that's the only citation he has, is the one that he paid. So what do you want to do here?
You willing to dismiss the no proof of insurance if he takes the expired plate?
Do you have valid insurance now, Mr. Finke?
I do, and my plates are also valid, Your Honor.
Okay, so he's offering if you plead the expired plate, he'll dismiss the no proof of insurance.
I will
You want to do
Your Honor.
that?
Yes, Your Honor. I was at fault. I'll take whatever is given to me.
To the charge of expired plate, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea to expired plate. He's dismissing the no proof of insurance. That case is dismissed. 135 is your total. That's on the B file, expired plate. And I'm dismissing the C file, no proof of insurance. You can go online and pay that at 33court.com, okay?
Your Honor, thank you.
Have a good day. Thanks, Oh, you got another one, McGee. Delicia Lachey McGee, 26M692200. All right.
Judge, I don't have her on Zoom.
Oh, she's not here. Trooper, your name?
Trooper Brown, Michigan State Police.
She didn't show up. She was given 15 minutes. This was scheduled for 8:45. It is now 9:18. Defendant is responsible as charged by default. So I will go ahead and enter that judgment, and I think that's it for you, correct? Oh, you got
He has
more?
more.
Should have 3 more.
What time are those scheduled?
9 o'clock from my understanding.
Good. Well, it's after 9:15, so we can call those down. Samantha Turchak, 26 M70744. Ma'am, you have to start your video and state your name, please.
Oh.
This is
Oh, hang on one second. Sorry. Why did this not work?
You're good now.
Oh, I'm good. Okay. Hi, Samantha Turchak.
All right, she's got a clean record. What do you want to do on this one? Operating while texting.
I was
If she has, oh, sorry, go ahead.
go ahead.
If she has a clean record, I'd be okay with impeding traffic so it's not on her driving itinerary.
Ma'am, were you using your handheld device? Why are you doing that? I hate that. I see people going all over the road. I sometimes think that's as bad as drunk driving, if not worse.
I'm not gonna do it again. I was on the phone. I was actually texting a patient and I won't do it again, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an RN. I'm a home care RN and I shouldn't have been on my phone or texting. So I apologize and I won't do it
Nice
again.
to see somebody admit they're wrong.
Yeah.
All right, you want to plead to impeding?
Yes, please.
Just saved yourself about $15.
Okay,
Just
thank you.
Deducted yourself. Did the charge impeding responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted 185. You can go online and pay that, okay?
Thank
Good
you.
luck. Thank you. Caleb Partial Richmond, 26M708027. Yep, he should be here. Caleb Richmond. Come on in, Mr. Richmond, please.
Good morning.
Am I done now?
Your name, sir?
Caleb Richmond.
Right. Let's see. He's got nothing on here, Trooper. He's got just 75 nothing on his record at all. You charged him with, it was 75 and a 70 limited access. What do you want to do on this one? Oh, you're muted. There you go.
I would be willing to offer impeding traffic for him. I remember he was respectful
0
roadside.
points won't go on your record, Mr. Richmond. You want to do that?
Can you repeat that?
He's offering you to plead to impeding traffic. You can either plead to impeding, that's 0 points. It won't go on your record. I'm going to fine you. Or you can go to hearing on the 75 and a 70. If you lose, that's still 0 points, but it would go on your traffic record.
I can plead guilty.
You want to plead to impeding?
Yes.
The charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? You plead responsible, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed. 150 is your total. You're all set. Have a good day. DMI Logistics, bring in Mr. Levitt, if you will, 26S118461, A and B and C.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Levitt, P45336. I represent DMI Logistics.
So you're gonna plead to overweight with agreed upon fines and costs of $3,500, right?
That's correct.
And then you're also going to plead to over height, over width, and over length, right?
Yes, my understanding was that the entire fines and costs would be the $3,500 for all three charges.
Well, then how about if I make the overweight 3,100? And I'll make the other two 200. Fair enough?
That's excellent, Your Honor. Thank you.
To the charge of over width, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
And to the charge of over length, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
That's kind of the way I read it too, but I wasn't sure. So I'll go ahead and accept the plea, $3,100 on the overweight, $200 on the remaining two civil infractions, all payments due by July the 31st, okay? You
Thank
are
you
all
so
set.
much, Judge. You have a good holiday weekend.
You too. Thank you very much. Bye now.
All right.
All right, Trooper, I'm coming back to yours now. Good. Jacob Jeffrey Soblo, 26 M71880. Where's Mr. Soblo? You have to start your video and state your name. There you go. Your name, sir?
Jacob Sablo.
Trooper, your name?
Trooper Brown, Michigan State Police.
So I don't know. He was involved in a crash in March 24. Hazardous action, unable to stop an assured clear distance. Series charge was 75 and a 70, limited access with the 80, but you clocked him apparently at 85 and a 70. What are you offering here?
I'd be willing to offer impeding.
You want to plead to impeding traffic, sir?
Yes, sir.
That's 0 points. It won't go on your record. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted to impeding. The speeding's dismissed, 160. You can go on 33court.com and pay that now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you. Dion Collins. Is she, Ms. Collins, you have to start your video and unmute. You just muted your video. Is A&M Carriers here? Kagazi? Against Dion Marie Williams Collins, 26M701943. Good morning, ma'am. Your name?
Dion Collins. Can you hear
Your
me?
name?
Dion Collins.
No, Trooper, your name?
Oh.
Michigan State Police.
I didn't catch it all there. I kind of did there.
Trooper Brown, Michigan State Police.
She's got a clean record. She's going to explain to me why she was driving 100. She must have been having a heart attack. You weren't having a heart attack, were you, Ms. Collins? Come on now. What are you driving like a maniac for? I don't.
So,
what do you?
so it
Hang on.
wasn't 100. Me and Mr.
Hang on.
Trooper Brown. Oh.
Let me ask him a question. What do you want to do on this? She's not had a ticket.
He's got a clean driving record. I would offer impeding.
Ms. Collins,
That's what I would like because.
why are you driving like a maniac?
So me and the trooper, we were kind of going back and forth. I was doing 85. He said, "I'll give you 85 because you caught up with me." I was speeding. So I did not know, in all transparency, that he was a trooper. I thought he was a regular biker. So when I seen him, I sped up to wave at him and smiled at him, and then he put his lights on me, and I was like, "Oh my God, I got to be the biggest
Wait,
idiot."
because you're driving by a trooper going 100. I know you're telling me 85. You got, was this a laser, a radar, or what was it?
I had her on my rear radar coming up to me at 100, and I was going actively 85, so I had paced her at 85 as well. That was part of my tracking history for this.
Ms. Collins, to the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
You don't usually drive like this, do you?
No, I was really being silly, Judge. I
Silly?
did not know he was a police officer.
Well, I
I
would
thought he was
think
a
you
regular
wouldn't have thought he
biker.
was a police officer if you're driving by him going 100 and smiling. I got to charge you a little more than I usually do, but I can't. I'll take your plea to impeding. I'm fine with that, but probably a little too lenient. 175 is your total. That's only because you got a clean record. You can go on there and pay that. I'll dismiss the original charge. You seem like a very pleasant lady, but please slow down, okay?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you. Trooper, I think that's it for you now, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day. Thank you. Good luck, ma'am.
All right,
A&M
thank you.
Carriers, Inc., 26S118149. All right,
Good morning,
counsel,
Rami
good
Hijazi.
morning. Your appearance.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of A&M Carriers.
How you doing today? You doing all right?
I'm doing great, Your Honor. Thank you for asking. Hope you are as well.
I am. Thank you. You're going to plead to overweight with agreed upon fines and costs of 4,900, right?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, and you're authorized to enter that plea
Fully authorized with consent. Yes, Your Honor.
to the charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible, Your Honor.
Plea is accepted. Fines cost 4,900. Paid by July 31. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Thank
Have
you.
a blessed week. Bye-bye.
Who has a case out there ready for me? Anybody? Mr. Dubin, what are you here on?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm just waiting. So Nor just got there. I was put in the breakout room with the other prosecutor. I just need a breakout room with Nor when she's set up, Your Honor. I'm on Ryan Dion.
Okay. Okay. Does
I'll put you in a
anybody
room
else-
right now.
Thank you guys so much.
Ms. Tucker, what case are you here on?
Morning, I was just assigned to a Chadwick Walls.
Do you need to speak with him, Miss Tucker?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room.
Okay. And Mr. Barrow, what do you have?
Morning, Your Honor. I have a civil infraction today where we're able to reach a resolution for
Have you already
Superior
re-
Express.
Have you already talked to the prosecutor?
Yes, Judge. We resolved it.
Do we have the file in? We don't have the file. As soon as I get it, I'll call it, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
No problem. Mr. Walls, we're putting you in a breakout room to speak with your lawyer.
Oh, my God. Hello?
Mr. Walls,
well-
join the breakout room on your
Join
screen.
the breakout room.
Is I'm in the right one?
Look
I
on
didn't
your
hear-
screen and you can join the breakout room.
Yeah, I read that.
So,
Good man.
You can approach. Good morning. You can hand them right over to the lady here. Thank you.
How are you guys?
Good, you?
I was meeting yesterday.
Good.
It's over. Took a day to go.
Where?
I went short for an hour.
Which one?
Richard had their
Oh, nice.
their hockey team outing. A friend of mine's kid plays over there, so
Yeah.
Steve.
Oh,
No,
I gotta play,
at all.
I gotta play in the league tomorrow and I have a feeling even at 6 o'clock at night, it's gonna be hot.
Well, that's the thing. It's no air. The only time we caught any air was on 18-1, which is obviously closer to the water.
Right,
But it's just like
right.
standing in shade every chance I got, Coach.
It's gonna be brutal tonight.
We'll get through it.
Yeah,
How's everything else?
good. That's good.
It took me a minute to get
Oh, Dion, Ryan Lewis, Dion, 26F702264.
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff, Attorney Maxwell Dubin, P number 86012, on behalf of Mr. Dion, who appears via Zoom with consent. Your Honor, Mr. Dion, can you please state your full name for the judge?
Ryan Lewis Dion.
We're gonna have to keep the exam on for the 14th, counsel. I'm not here next week.
Okay, Your Honor, just wondering, is there any way that we can go later than that? If not, I'll make it work. I just have a large amount of sentencings that day. Is the 21st doable or is that too far? Actually, you know what, Your Honor? Um, sorry about that. I'm just looking at my calendar here.
Go ahead, take your time.
Yeah, if the 21st isn't too far away, if we can do that, that'd be great. But if not, I'll make it work. You know
On the
me. I'll
14th,
make
you
it.
mean?
Yeah, I have a lot of sentencings on the 14th. I was gonna see if we could do the 21st on that Tuesday.
Let me ask you a question. Are those in the morning?
On the 14th, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all in the morning.
Well, I could, Lisa, is there a reason we can't do it at 1 o'clock on the 14th?
Let me double check.
Oh, wait, I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I see it's scheduled for the 14th at 11. As long as it's okay if I'm possibly just like running a little bit late or it goes to the like 12, that's fine. If it's the afternoon, no problem at all.
Judge, you have an
just-
afternoon flat rock docket that day.
You think this one's likely to go?
Yeah, I do, Your Honor. But again,
Let's
with
do it.
11, I could
hang
probably
on.
swing a lot.
Are you sure? Because what I don't like is I don't want people showing up at 5 to 12 and I've got a 1 o'clock docket. I want to get out of here for an hour and I certainly want my staff to.
Yep.
So if I
like
can either give you,
so.
I can either give you 12:45 on the 14th. Or I can do 1 o'clock. I mean, I guess, yeah.
Oh, 12:45 works perfect.
12:45, July the 14th. That's when I'll make it. Okay.
Judge,
I appreciate you very much. Oh,
That's the day you have the afternoon flat rock docket.
No, I know, but he's going to be here right and ready to start at 12:45, right? The docket doesn't start till 1. This won't go more than half an hour, will it?
no, I don't believe so. And I can even be there at 12:30 or earlier, to be honest.
Okay, good. Good. We'll make it 12:45. Try to get here early, talk to the prosecutor, and we'll go from there. Okay.
That's perfect. My sentencings are in like Livonia, so they're close enough for me to get there, no problem. So
Okay, great. Thanks.
I appreciate it, just always. Thanks, Your Honor. Great to see you.
You too. Secure Express LLC, 26S118475.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow, P85907, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Requesting his presence be waived. I do have permission to enter a plea on his behalf.
All right, you're authorized to enter this plea on the behalf of the company to Overweight, correct?
Correct, and to a reduced fee to $6,000, 30 days to pay, Your Honor, or get an
On
appeal.
behalf of the company to the charge Overweight, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, Your Honor.
Please accepted, $6,000 paid by July 31. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day to you and your staff as always. Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you. Bashiga Bowija Clinton. This is 6M6800000.
Morning, Your Honor. Brian Kelly on behalf of the defendant.
Are you the football coach that used to coach at Notre Dame? I'm just kidding. Where's Mr. Clinton at?
He's here. He's here remote, Your Honor. He's on, I think he's turning his camera on. We've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and I think we would be able to resolve this, but I believe we're going to need an interpreter, a French interpreter, so I can get through a couple questions and probably the advice of rights.
I'm surprised. I arraigned him. I'm surprised I didn't.
And I thought we were going to be okay with after we went to the arraignment, everything went fine. And when I was talking to him today, I realized to get through it, it's probably going to be a little more clear for
Get
him.
a French interpreter. Mr. Clinton, can you tell me your name?
My name is Buija Bashiga Clinton.
I'm going to set this for July the 14th. And we're going to get you an interpreter. What time are we doing on this one, Lisa?
10 o'clock.
At 10 a.m. Okay, counsel?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Good luck,
too.
sir.
Did you say French interpreter? I'm sorry, French?
Yes.
French, please.
Okay, thank you.
July 14th. Thanks.
Thanks.
Mr.
Clinton, we're all set. Have a good day.
Mohammed Alamara, 260-816-656. Mr. Walls, I'm gonna ask you to take the cigarette out of your mouth, please. I know thank you. Where's Muhammad Alamara?
Right over here, sir.
Your name? Tell me your name.
Muhammad Alamara.
Says you have a fishing license. They're dismissing in the interest of justice. I love that, huh, Mr. Graziani? In the interest of justice.
Thank you.
Dismiss motion of the plaintiff. You're all set. Prosecutor, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Asarov, 26 D816657. Where is Mr. Al-Sarov? Good morning, sir. Your name?
Hussein Al-Saraf.
We're adjourning this 2 weeks so you can get a license.
Yep, sounds good.
July 14th, what time, Lisa?
Any time works for me.
Well, good, thank you.
No.
I was asking my judicial clerk, but we do want to
9:45.
accommodate all participants here.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
9:45.
Okay.
9:45.
9:40.
Okay? Good
Okay.
luck to you. We'll see you then. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day. People against Griffer. Ryan Joseph Griffer, 26B711925.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Ryan Griffer, who is to my left. Please identify yourself, sir. Ryan Joseph Griffer. We're seeking a 1-week adjournment, Judge.
Lisa, who is sitting for me then?
Judge Hessen is handling all PCCs.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna be here. So I'll tell you what I'll do. Can you call Ms. Holloway?
There's a bit of an issue, Judge.
No, I get it. Call in Ms. Holloway a second. I could adjourn the final pretrial to July the 14th. Here's what I'm thinking. And then set the trial for the following.
That would be great, Judge.
Let me just check and make sure she doesn't have any conflict with witnesses or anything like that, okay?
Absolutely.
So I'm gonna ask her, conference room machine. I didn't get a sheet.
I just called her. I didn't get a sheet either. She's on her way in.
Did I ask your name, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Just give us 1 second here.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I thought Ms. Holloway was on this one.
Yeah, Ms. Holloway.
Yeah, what conference room is she in?
Oh, I her. Yeah.
She's in the
I already know.
I don't go get her. She's on the.
Is she in two?
She's in the room across the hall from me.
Yeah, Ms. Esmaro, I don't need you on this. This is a domestic. I just want to make sure.
I was gonna say, I haven't talked to Attorney Graziani in the case yet.
What's that?
Talk to Attorney Graziani.
I'll be talking to you.
Yeah.
Let me talk.
What are we doing here? Can I have these to you, please? Thank you.
She's on this room.
I can go grab them.
Yeah,
Thank you
please.
so much. It works out well. Just
How you doing, Ms. Holloway?
Yeah, the people, 86528.
You didn't show, what time did you show up today?
9.
What time we start our dockets?
I know.
It's okay. It's fine. Try to get her early. It's all right. I was impressed with this young lady trying her bench trial. I don't know if she did. Why are you shaking your head side to side? You did a very nice job.
Oh,
It's what?
tough trial.
Yeah, but she did a nice job on this. I was really impressed, Mr. Graziani.
that's why I don't want to go to trial.
I know she's tough. She's going to be a really good lawyer. I'm impressed. I'm not easily impressed
It's a
either.
good prosecutor's office.
Okay, so I'm thinking about taking he wants to adjourn the pretrial 1 week. I'm not going to be here, so I'm going to adjourn the pretrial 2 weeks and adjourn the bench trial from July the 14th until the 21st. I want to make sure that's not going to create a problem for you.
That works.
Okay, so we'll make it July 14th at, we'll just make it at 9 o'clock. Bench trial on the 21st, Lisa,
At 1.
at 1. Okay? All right. I know what I said. You did a nice job. I was impressed. Good luck. Good luck, sir. We'll see you here in a couple of weeks. Thank you. Lucas Bowman, 267 709-278P.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning. For the record, Trevor Garrison for Mr. Bowman. Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting an adjournment of the pre-hearing conference.
You guys can't, what are they doing here? It says pre-formal officer stated a case was submitted to prosecutor for misdemeanor charge.
Exactly. That's
What's
right.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna wait for them to go through that. They either need to. Oh. I- Did you talk to the prosecutor about this, Mr. Garrison?
I did.
What is she saying? Have they submitted it? Are they going to authorize on some misdemeanor charge or what?
Well, I don't think she knew that it was that the civil infraction was dismissed. I told her that, and so that's another reason why we're requesting a postponement. I don't believe we'll be able to resolve the civil infraction anyway. They're indicating that they have no authority to dismiss it, given that my client had a CDL, a dismiss or amend. So it's likely it'll go to formal hearing.
Well, let me adjourn the formal hearing then. I'll set it for, we'll set a formal hearing. So you have to be in person though, okay? July the 14th at what time, Lisa?
Well,
I'm not gonna put this off much longer. I mean, I get it. I'm not saying I'm a fan of that law, but that's the policy they take, so.
No, I understand. I'm out of town on the 14th. Do you have any other days besides Tuesday? My Tuesdays are jammed for the next few weeks.
This is a state prosecutor and they're only in here on Tuesdays.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I'll go to the 21st. That's the latest I'm going.
Well, but I'm going to be in Bradenton, Florida anyway on that day. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You said you weren't gonna be here on the 14th.
Right, and I'm also gone the following week. I'm in Colorado on the 14th.
Are you really going to have a formal hearing on this? I mean, if I get guys telling me this, then they come in and plead and, I'm not gonna, I don't want to do that. I'm just telling you, if I'll go out of my way to set this later for you, if you're really going to have a hearing. But guys don't have hearings on these.
Well, I mean, my client, this is his livelihood. I mean, having a.
No, listen, I'm not, if you're gonna have a hearing, all you gotta do is, no, Judge, we're definitely going to a hearing.
Right. Well, I mean, yeah, we have some dash cam, and that's a decision I'll talk to my client about, but.
All they got is 70 to 65. I just can't adjourn it much longer, is all I'm trying to tell you.
I understand, Your Honor. Well, I mean,
What day can you do on a Tuesday? I'm not taking it to August, I promise you that.
Well, that was what I was going to suggest, August 18th, but.
No way. No.
Okay, well then,
I could do an afternoon for you. I'll do that for you. Where's your office at?
Royal Oak.
I can't go that long. What's wrong with, you're gonna be gone the week of July 14th and the week of July the 21st and the week of July the 28th?
No, not the 28th, but the first 2 weeks, yes. How about August 4th in the afternoon?
What's that?
Is August 4th in the afternoon?
Why can't you do the 28th?
I have a pretrial in Oakland County Circuit Court in person at 8:30, and then I have a Clinton Township matter at 1.
Call in the prosecutor, will you? And you're gone for 2 weeks on vacation or what?
No, the first week is well, kind of. The first week is a vacation for 3 days, and then the next week is a soccer camp in Bradenton, Florida.
Well, so I got it. You play soccer or your kid, you mean?
No, my daughter does.
I'm not going honest. I can tell you that. So you're gonna have to figure out something.
Well,
Counsel your appearance.
Good, morning, Your Honor, I'll send it tonight after people be 800.
I don't want to adjourn this forever. He wants me to set it for August 18th. I'm not going there. This is the civil infraction, 11 to 15 over, but they only wrote him for 5 over, right? They only wrote him for 5 over. This is,
Is that the one with $60?
yes, yes.
And you were already made aware that that portion was dismissed because it was gonna be submitted as a misdemeanor in the law office?
Count 1 was, right?
Yes, not 2.
Right.
It's a CDL driver, it's a CDL driver, I did let defense counsel know I can't use it anyways.
That's still, limited access, right?
Does it say limited access on there? I don't.
It doesn't say limited access, but they never say limited access. This must have been, they wrote him for 70 and a 65 on I-75.
Yeah, and they wrote it as, they wrote it as exceeding speed limit. Those ones are tricky. They don't give us much room to do anything.
No, I know because of that masking law, which I don't know why
I don't wanna get.
I'm not blaming the prosecutor's office. At first I thought maybe it was them, but it's not. I read the masking statutes and I don't know.
Well, if I have a strong opinion on that.
I don't,
I'll do.
yeah, but she can't violate laws. She's not gonna do that. They're not gonna do that.
No, I understand. It's neither here nor there, I guess, but it's just I don't think it prohibits plea bargaining. It's just masking I think it's different, but that's for, I guess, another day.
You could reduce the charge to something similar. So non-moving violations can get reduced, but moving violations are not allowed to get reduced unless it's something similar. So if I had like an 11 to 15, I could reduce it to like a 6 to 10 or something.
And they only wrote him for 70 to 65. I'm not sure why the jacket, unless somebody made a mistake, Lisa, says 11 to 15 over.
It was a mistake. I can assure you, we have the dash cam. That was a mistake.
Well, wait a minute. Well, I'm saying an internal mistake by us because somebody put on the register 11 to 15 over. They only wrote him for 70 and a 65.
I did see that, yeah.
I don't know what the actual speed was. They usually put it on here. They didn't.
It said 70 and 65 right under the ticket, under the portion with the charge, under the count.
That's what they charge, 70 and 65.
Right, exactly. And
But
then
hang on, but I don't see what the actual speed was, unless he's saying he was only going 70 to 65.
It was going 70 to 65. Typically, when I see speeding tickets, sometimes they'll put 72 and a 65. The numbers will change. It doesn't stay to that 1 to 5 range. It doesn't stay to that 5 range.
Right.
I believe he was going 5 over.
I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm not adjourning this to August. So
all right, if you know what, I have another thought. If Your Honor, could I join the breakout room again and I'll talk to the prosecutor? All right, thank you so much.
yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Transport. Amex Transport, 26S 118-447.
Respectfully, Your Honor, Sam Richard Dollar, P62186, appearing on behalf of Amex Transport with the authority to enter into today's plea agreement.
Good morning, Mr. Jadal. This is going to be a plea to overweight. Fines and costs $7,000, correct, and 30 days to pay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you're authorized to enter that plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
To that charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, Your Honor.
Plea is accepted. Fines cost $7,000, pay by July 31. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Becker.
You and your staff also.
Aaron Michael Becker, 26M702004. Where is Aaron Michael Becker? Aaron Michael Becker, you need to start your video and state your name. There you go.
Becker.
I don't have Trooper Zagalonis out there, do I?
Hold on one second, Your Honor. I gotta roll my windows up and turn the truck off. All right, I'm here.
Is Trooper Zagalonis out there, Lisa? I don't see him.
No, he's not.
You're a winner today, sir. The officer failed to appear. Case dismissed. I gave him 15 minutes. It's now 10:06, and this was scheduled for 9:45. Slow down a little, please. Your record doesn't look that great. I know it's a prohibited using
Said my record
handheld,
don't
but
look great.
don't be doing that, though. You know what I'm saying? That's dangerous. I see. Well,
Yeah,
I
hey,
didn't
Hunter,
look
so-
that closely. I just saw some citations on here. Let me see here. No, it doesn't look that great. I mean, no, it doesn't. I mean, you haven't had anything since 22. That was a hazardous action. Just be careful. No use of cell phones, okay?
Yes, John, and I just want to let you know I am a truck driver. I use a headset while I'm in the truck. That day, I just picked up the phone the moment he drove by in my personal vehicle, and I apologize.
Have a great day. It worked out for you. Good luck. Case dismissed.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Mohammed Kari Otba Benaziz, 26 M653046. Where's this gentleman at? There you are. Your name?
Mohammed Ben Aziz. Hi.
Trooper Reem, your name?
Mohammed Ben Aziz.
No, I heard you. Trooper, your name?
Trooper Nicholas Riem.
Can you just get a little closer to the device? He's got a clean record. You wrote him for careless. It says traveling at speeds in excess of 90, weaving in and out of traffic. Do you want to offer anything here?
Yeah, I'd like to offer 10 over.
You want to plead the 10 over, sir? That would be limited access 80 and a 70, and that would be 1 point.
Yes.
You want to plead to that?
Yes.
To that charge of 80 and a 70, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm going to accept the plea. Fines and costs here are $155. You can go on 33court.com and pay that today, okay?
Okay.
Have a great
Thank you.
day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
James Allen Kennedy. This is 6G 703-768.
Morning, Judge. Jason Kazmarek for James Kennedy.
Good morning, Mr. Kazmarek. Your name, sir?
James Kennedy.
You got to get a lot closer to that device, please, and keep your voice up. I can hardly hear you. State your name again.
James Kennedy.
All right. So, counsel, does he stand mute and waive formal reading for purposes of the plea, of the arraignment?
Yes, Judge.
And now, as I understand it, you met with the prosecutor. Your client's going to plead guilty to operating while intoxicated, first offense, with the super drunk charge to be dismissed. True?
Sort of. I would actually I'd like to plead a no contest for my client.
Why a no contest plea?
Civil liability.
Was there an accident?
There was, and there was a couple injuries as well.
There was injuries to people in the other car?
And his own, yes.
All right. She didn't.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I don't know if we talked about it. We had talked about it over email or talked about it previously. But
The police report in here.
I can highlight some things on the police report. I don't know what your report requires as far as no contest, but I mean, I can certainly provide factual evidence.
Hang on.
Not Denali's office. Just
Can you bring in the police report on James Allen Kennedy, please?
I will do that, Con.
Thank you. I don't care if there's possibility of civil litigation. I have no objection to that. I'm going to have to get the police report in here. You heard me call as soon as she gets in.
That's fine.
Go ahead and
The memory isn't the greatest either, frankly, from that night.
What's that?
So the memory from that night isn't great either, to be honest, Judge. He had a bit to drink.
Where's your office again, Mr. Kazmarek? I'm
Where
gonna
is
need
it?
the police report.
In
No
Monroe.
contest plea.
Oh, I can't do no, I wouldn't do non-contest for that.
He said that your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's me, as well. People be 893. Typically, we don't do non-contest unless the prevention to go over by. But is he saying he can't remember?
Wait a minute, keep your voice up for the record here.
Oh.
No, he's saying there's a possibility of civil litigation. That's what his lawyer said, that there was an accident
Car accident, yes, that's correct.
and that there were injuries to somebody in his car and or the other car. Both of them it sounded like, right?
I believe so.
That's correct.
So why would you have a problem with that?
Typically, we don't do non-contest, but that's fine. We can get
The court rule forbids me to do it, so I can be the bad guy. So
said you need the police report.
I need the police report. If you don't have a paper copy, you're gonna have to send it to Lisa. I'm gonna go aside from this and I'll, okay, thanks. Lisa, I can send John down there when you get it, okay?
Okay.
Herman Elijah Morissette, 267-707-301, A and B. Sign an advice of rights form. Yes, you did. Okay, your name?
Herman Morissette.
So this gentleman, you met with the prosecutor, right?
Yes.
I arraigned you. You met with the prosecutor. She's offering you the opportunity to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and the speeding 1 to 5 over, with the understanding that the no ops charge will be dismissed and the careless driving charge will be dismissed. Is that your understanding? Is that how you wish to proceed?
Yeah.
If you plead to 1 to 5 over, that's 1 point. But you're getting the 3-point violation dismissed. If you plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that's 0 points and it won't go on your record. And that is a 0-pointer punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have the right to a lawyer. I told you that before. I'll tell you again. Do you want a lawyer?
No.
To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, by do you plead?
Yes.
To the charge 1 to 5 over, responsible or not responsible?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
You plead responsible or not responsible? Were you in control of a 2008 Chevrolet silver in color that was being operated on June 9 of 26 at 6:53 p.m. On the ramp 226A near Sibley Road in Brownstown?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed or suspended or revoked, and was that you? And are you on probation or parole?
Yes.
Were you on probation or parole on June the 9th of 26? Probation or parole? To what court? On a felony?
Yes.
You understand, by pleading guilty, I'm just telling you, this could be deemed a violation of that probation. That probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated on that charge as a result of this misdemeanor plea and conviction. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You still wish to plead guilty? Anybody in the world force you to plead guilty?
No.
Plea is accepted to allow an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm dismissing the no ops, accepting the plea to 1 to 5 over, dismissing the careless. I'm ready to sentence you. Are you ready? Anything you would like to tell me before I sentence you? You don't have a valid license. Wait till you get your license. It's suspended.
I've been going through a payment arrangement.
I'm sorry?
Payment. I've been going through the court, payment arrangements.
What courts?
36th district.
Anything else? 100 fines, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 300 or 60 days. Do you have all that with you today?
Pardon, would you thought, we say that again, now?
$300 or 60 days, and I'm going to charge you $150 on the speeding. So you need $450. Do you have all that with you today?
Not right now. I feel like in 60 days.
Where do you work?
G and F. I mean F and G. F and G's.
Can you pay anything today?
I just really started really last week, and it's a 2-week period, so the 60 days will be fine. It'll be actually perfect so it's 450. I just started really last week.
I'm gonna have you pay the 150 on the speeding by July the 24th. Can you do that?
Yes.
I'm gonna have you pay the $300 on the other case by August 21st. Can you do that?
Yeah.
If you don't have the money, there's no reason to be scared. Just call the court. We can go on Zoom, or you can walk in, Your Honor, before the due date at 8:30, and I'll be glad to give you an extension. Fair enough?
Yes.
Good luck. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see what it's is written and find out.
Sure. Sadie. Do you have the police report on that one yet, on Kennedy, Lisa?
Yes, I'm printing it right now.
Okay. Hussein, I'm sorry, Mashu Hussein, 26B 711-738.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani on behalf of Rashad Hussein, Mashoud Hussein, who's to my left. Please identify yourself, sir.
Mashoud Hussein.
Judge, I spoke with the prosecutor, and we've agreed to adjourn for 3 weeks, but there's a separate issue. Apparently, Mr. Hussein would like to represent himself. I have no problem with it. He's not hurting my feelings. If he feels he could be better, I have no problem.
What law school did you go to?
What's going on with college?
Yeah, I know, but what law school did you go to?
I didn't go to law school, Your Honor.
You think you can do better than him?
It's not that I can do better than him. It's just that the case has been going on for so long.
It hasn't been going on that long. Listen, we started the case, you were arraigned on May 22nd. It's been going on for 5 weeks. Well, listen to me, sir. I want you to listen to me. You can represent yourself if you want. I don't know why you'd think you could do better if you went to Macomb County Community College. No disrespect intended whatsoever. It's more than some people do. This guy's been practicing law for 30 years, right? 35?
I can't believe it. 35, 36 years.
He's a good lawyer.
Thank you, Judge.
This is a serious case. You got a domestic violence charge. I'm just telling you, I'd urge you to reconsider. You have the right to represent yourself. You do. Everybody does. You could be charged with murder and you could still be allowed to represent yourself. It's just, I'm telling you, as a guy who's been around the block here, you're hurting yourself by representing yourself. You don't know anything about the rules of evidence, do you? Do you know what the rules of evidence are? I could take 10 days to explain those to you. There's all kinds of legal objections that you don't know anything about, sir. There's manners in which you can and can't ask questions. I'm just encouraging you not to get rid of your lawyer. I'll be glad to give you 2 weeks, but because the case is still pending, 5 weeks later means nothing to me.
It's just that, like, this was supposed to be my final pre-trial, but then it was supposed to be a pre-trial. That's when the last time I was in court. It was supposed to be a final pre-trial, and just, this time's been going on. And I don't have a place to live right now. I'm living off a hotel, I pay $500 a week.
Where at?
Days in the morning. I'm from Sterling Heights, and I don't live on this area. I have a home, and I lost my home while facing through these battles at top times right now. In the process of going to court about home that I'm living in. I'm about to be evicted, and I don't even live at that home. So in this case, that where the other victim's not here, is not showing up, that's why I'm like, literally.
Who's the victim in this case, Mr. Graziani?
It's an ex-girlfriend.
Is she living in the house?
She was.
She was living in the house. I suggested him that he could move in, with permission from the court. However, it appears that everything's been shut off and it's basically a little, without any water, Judge. It's pretty bad from what I understand. But for the record, what Mr. Hussein.
Hang on one second. Can you staple this and mark this P? You're not helping by getting rid of your lawyer and representing yourself. Let me be blunt about it.
Understand.
So why don't I do this?
It's just that I like the judge speak. I'm trying to figure out what my final pre-trial is, and I'm trying to understand that the victim isn't coming here.
Well, I can make him come.
Yeah, I understand that, but it's just that.
Call him Ms. Holloway again, John.
Good. I'm trying to understand that, like, this issue is, I'm trying to have it resolved. I'm trying to get back on my feet, go to work. I can't go to work. I don't have my car. I don't have a home. I don't have a place to live.
Have you guys conversed with the victim on this case involving Mr. Hussein?
Yes, Your Honor. As of yesterday, I believe I spoke to the defense. She is still cooperating.
That means she wants to proceed.
He wants to get rid of his lawyer. This makes no sense to me. Here's what I'm going to encourage you to do. I want the victim here at the next pretrial, okay? I'm ordering her to appear. I'm setting this for July the 14th. At what time, Lisa? 9:30 or something?
Yes, 9:30.
Just to clarify, are you ordering people to send out a subpoena?
Yeah, I don't care however you do it, whether you call her, tell her the judge wants her here on July the 14th at 9:30. But if she doesn't show up, I'm going to entertain a motion to dismiss. Now, I'm going to encourage you to keep your lawyer for the time being. You're not helping yourself by getting rid of your lawyer, okay? You're making it worse. Do you understand that? Now, if you want, since you seem to be in a hurry, if you want, I can set it for trial today too, or another day. I'll be glad to do that for you.
Is that the final pre-trial?
Well, I'm gonna have a final pretrial in 2 weeks, at which time the victim has to appear. And if she doesn't appear, I'm gonna dismiss the case on motion of your lawyer. You can also set a trial, whether a jury or a bench trial, 4 weeks down the road or 3 weeks down the road. So if you guys want to entertain that, either a jury demand or a bench trial, but he wants to get rid of you, so maybe you don't want to make that decision.
Judge, I feel uncomfortable at this time.
Are you willing to keep your lawyer through the next pretrial?
Is that in 2 weeks, in July 14th?
Yes. I'm not gonna be here next week, so I can't do it next week.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want, I'll get rid of your lawyer. You're making a big mistake.
Yeah, I love that. That's fine. I don't like that. President.
You want him to?
Yeah.
July 14th, 9:30. We'll see everybody here then. Thank you. Charles Bejuan Boyd. Two 6W 706-997.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Charlotte Boyd. Judge, we had the opportunity to review the precinct.
Your name, sir?
Charles Boyd.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Judge, we had the opportunity to review precinct report. There's no additions, deletions, or corrections. We are asking, however, that the no contact order be lifted. We have evidence that shows that his daughter contacted my client and
where's she at?
Currently?
Well, no, I'm asking, is she here, Lisa, Tahari Boyd?
Oh, not on Zoom.
Judge, she's not here. We do have evidence of text messages from her, which indicate that she wants to move back with Mr. Boyd, and
Well, I gotta have her here to tell me that. I can adjourn the sentencing a week or two or 2 weeks and have her.
Judge, if we.
I can have probation call her. I mean, I'm not gonna look at text messages that she sent him without her being here and lifting a no contact provision, whether it's part of a bond or part of a sentence.
Judge, if I may, if we could possibly adjourn this matter simply for an hour. It was adjourned before. It was our understanding that parties would show up. Unfortunately, she hasn't shown up. I think transportation is an issue.
She can Zoom, but she can't. Let me do this. I constantly am looking for the prosecutor, and I can't remember what number she's into. Do you have any idea what number Ms. Holloway's in, counsel? I mean, Lisa. I believe I need to get a hold of Ms. Holloway. I'm going to have her call the victim and tell her I want her to Zoom in.
Thank you, Josh. Thank you so much.
She's in a breakout room. I'll try to move her out.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the interruption. May I have a breakout room too, please?
With Miss Louie?
Asmaro.
Or Miss Asmaro. Yeah, sorry. Hold on.
It's okay.
Yeah, I can't get her to move, Judge. I'm sorry.
Do you know what conference?
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Ms. Holloway, can you state your name on this, please? This is on Charles Boyd.
Hi, good morning.
Your name, please?
Noor Alawi on behalf of the people, PA 6528.
This is a sentencing on Charles Boyd. He pled to attempt DV. This involved his daughter, Tahari Boyd. I'm hoping that's the defense lawyer is asking me to lift the no contact provision. He wants me to look at text messages. I'm not going to do that, but I think in fairness, they want me to lift it saying she requested it in messages sent to the defendant. And I have a no contact. I'm going to ask that you or the victim's advocate call Ms. Boyd and ask her to Zoom in here at about half an hour or so. And then I can address it. Fair enough?
We can do that. Your Honor, just to clarify, this one isn't my case, but I will tell the victim advocate right now to speak to her, and Natalia Asmaro can.
These days, I'm going to figure out who gets what here, you know?
That's okay. We'll handle it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You can have a seat, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Now, do you have that marked? All right. Recalling James Allen Kennedy. 26G703768. They came in with a big packet. I've had the whole thing marked. Counsel, your appearance.
Jason Kazmarek on behalf of James Kennedy. James Kennedy.
I'll be happy to take your no contest plea to operating while intoxicated first, with the understanding that the super drunk will be dismissed, and further with the understanding that there was an accident and apparently there's an allegation that some were injured as a result of the defendant's intoxication. So I'll go ahead and take that. Do you stipulate I can use the police report to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You plead no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated. The possible penalties are up to $500 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all of those 6 points, license suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. And your vehicle could be.
A routine pretrial hearing took an unexpected turn when a defendant told the judge he wanted to fire his own attorney and represent himself. At first, the request sounded simple, but the judge knew the consequences could be enormous. The defense attorney informed the court that although both sides had agreed to adjourn the case, his client no longer wanted legal representation. The defendant complained that his case had been going on for too long and believed he could move it forward himself. The judge immediately pushed back, pointing out that the case had only been pending for about 5 weeks, which is not unusual for a criminal case. Then he asked a question that instantly changed the atmosphere inside the courtroom. What law school did you go to? When the defendant admitted he had never attended law school, the judge explained that his attorney had more than 35 years of experience defending criminal cases. He warned the defendant that representing himself would almost certainly put him at a serious disadvantage because criminal trials involve complicated rules of evidence, legal objections, and courtroom procedures.
Have you ever wondered what happens when a defendant believes they can do a better job than a lawyer with decades of courtroom experience? Stay until the end, because this real courtroom moment has an unexpected twist. The hearing begins with a domestic violence case that's already been in court for several weeks. Instead of focusing on the charges, the defendant tells the judge he wants to represent himself. His attorney explains that he has no objection if that's truly what his client wants. But the judge immediately steps in with a question that changes the entire mood of the courtroom. The judge asks, "What law school did you go to?" The defendant quietly admits that he never went to law school. That's when the judge delivers a reality check. He explains that the defense attorney standing beside him has spent over 35 years practicing law and knows courtroom procedures, legal strategy, and the rules of evidence inside and out. The judge makes it clear that everyone has the constitutional right to represent themselves, even someone facing the most serious criminal charges. But just because someone has that right doesn't mean it's a good decision. He warns the defendant that without understanding the rules of evidence, legal objections, and trial procedures, he could seriously damage his own case. The defendant then opens up about the difficult situation he's facing. He says he has lost his home, doesn't have a place to live, can't get back to work, and is struggling financially. He also questions why